As you know, the Quansheng K6 is a cool little radio. I bought mine just to do the Exumer mod to try it out on HF receive upper sideband or single sideband. Anyways, I never really noticed that it does 50 to 76 and 174 to 350, which should be the 220 band in there. So let's check it out and see if it really works as advertised. It's receive only, but maybe we can get some transmit out of it. Who knows? If you're like me, you've seen that the Quansheng K599, K6, whatever you want to call it, can receive on 6 meters. There's my Yaesu VX6R, AA1PR testing, AA1PR testing, test. And in the Quansheng, I have 52525 programmed in. It's not locking up, it's not stopping on it, it's not receiving it. What the heck? Let's go to that channel. Okay, in the bottom VFO, we have National Symbolic Calling Frequency 6 meters, 52525. I got my VX6 in my hand. AA1PR. There we go. If we keep it in this channel, it receives it. AA1PR. Oops, but if it's in scan mode, it won't receive it. And also with the Exumer software, it's supposed to receive on 220, and I do have, I think, 220 enabled in the menu. So let me switch out this big, long THR 20 antenna, 20 inches long, put the stock rubber ducky on, which does 220, and let's see if we can get it to receive on 220 as well. You know what? Let me take the 6 meter VX6R down the hall and let's see what's happened. Let's get several feet away from the radio and see what happens. I'll be right back. AA1PR testing, AA1PR. Okay, I got the VX6 set for 52525. This is on 52525. AA. Nope, transmit disabled. It's going to receive, but it won't transmit. Son of a gun. It'd be cool if it would, even if it was only 50 milliwatts. Okay, so mind you, for these tests, I was only about 25 feet down the hall in my daughter's bedroom. But something, a little bit further away, something weaker in signal strength. Will it receive it? I don't know. Time will tell, or do you have to be on top of it? You know what? Let's try to transmit back on the Quansheng since it's modified. I don't know if I have 220 transmit enabled or not. No, I have it disabled. Let me see if I can open it up. Okay, so I went into the menu, I turned it on. If I didn't show you, go back and watch my video, or it's basically hold down this button and the PTT and turn it on. That gets you in the extended menu, and then you can engage it. So let's see if this thing will transmit to the VX6. Okay, I got it set to the National Symbolic Calling Frequency 223/500, except I got the altimeter barometer board in there. It's going to tell us our elevation. So I got the Q6 in my other hand, or the K6, and let's transmit. AA1PR, Alpha 1, Papa radio. Let me turn the volume up. I don't think we can hear it all the way. Okay, the volume's all the way up. Oh, this test is not going well. AA1PR. AA1PR testing. Okay, I can't get far enough away to hold the camera, so it's working. It's testing, but it's only doing like maybe not even 100 milliwatts or something like that. Okay, we're on 223/500. I'm going to transmit from the VX6. AA1PR testing, test. But if we put it in scan mode, will it pick it up in scan mode? AA1PR testing, AA1PR test, AA1PR testing. Okay, so it picks it up better in scan mode than it does on 6 meters. So anyways, looks like this thing is more tuned for 2 meter, 220, and 440, and it fails really short on 6 meters.